Here we will write a Python program to find factors of a given number using constructor. So first we'll open the IDE, then we'll add new file, and in comment line we'll write program description. First we'll define class, then we'll define constructor with one parameter, and we will assign constructor variable, so self.n equal to n. Then we'll define method find factors. First we'll print the message factors of a given number. Then we'll define one variable I which is initialized with 1, and we will use while loop while I less than or equal to n. And then we will check if n mod I equals 0, we will print the value of I, and then we will increment the I as I equal to I plus 1. Then outside the class we will accept the number from the user, so x equal to int input enter number. Then we'll create object of our class factors, so f equal to factors, and we will pass x as a constructor parameter, and then we'll call the method find factors from that class. Then we will save it, then we will execute it. I will enter number 8. It will print factors of given number as 1, 2, 4, 8.